Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So, first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the middle button right here. And after the watch turns on, you will need to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once you open the menu, use the up and down buttons right here on the right side of the watch to scroll through the menu and find the settings option. Once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Then select the general settings and press the middle button to enter. Here scroll down, find the option called about your watch, select it and then press the middle button. Now scroll down, find the option called reset data and settings. The last one looks like the bin icon. Select it, then press the middle button and then press the middle button to confirm and start the resetting process. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.